In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a donation form in Wix. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then you'll see this massive list of widgets that you can choose from. I want you to focus on the forms section right here in the middle, and I want you to click on Form Builder right here. Then you'll be taken to the Form Builder widgets page. From here, I want you to click on Create Widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the Form Template section. So on the left hand side here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different templates they can choose from, and then on the right hand side, you have a fully interactive live preview of what the selected template will feel like on your Wix website. Now this right here is for desktop, but if you click right here on the mobile icon, you also get a mobile view of it as well. Now in our case, since we want to create a donation form, what we want to look for here is at the bottom, look for the donation section. Let me just find it. It's right here, donation forms. Currently, at the time of recording this video, there's two different templates they can choose from. Bear in mind that none of these templates are final in terms of design or functionality. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen. What I mean by this is we can change the text right here, this text, we can remove and add different elements. So for example, let's just suppose that we don't want to have this donation category section here. We can get rid of it. We can change the color of the button and so forth. But yeah, go ahead and choose one of these two templates and then click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then you'll be taken to this section right here, which is where you can start customizing the donation form to our liking. So as you can see on the left hand side here, this is the main page where we build the form out. These are all the different fields that we see on the right hand side here. As you can see, I have organization name, email address, phone number, and so forth. So for example, like I said, if you don't want to have the donation category here, we can simply go ahead and delete it. And as you can see, it gets rid of it. It's as simple as that, really. Then if you want to add any new field, simply click on add field here and then choose one of these fields. In my case, I'm not going to do that. It's all very self-explanatory. Then at the bottom here, you also have header, submit button, footer, and success message. So if you go to the header right here, you will see the header. You can obviously disable it if you don't want it. As you can see, it gets rid of the text right here. This is the title text, the caption. Then you can add the cover image if that's relevant, a logo. You can choose the text alignment. In my case, I'll leave it as it is by default. Now, if you're struggling to create a form that you like, or if you think it's going to take you too long to do that, what you can do is simply click on generate form right here and use Elfsight's AI form generator. So click on this and then you can enter a form description right here and then click on generate, and then Elfsight is automatically going to generate a form based on the specifications that you provide right here. At the bottom here, as you can see, there's a bunch of different instructions that you can follow to make sure that you use this tool to your advantage. In my case, I'm going to leave it as it is. I just wanted to quickly mention this just so you know that it is an option that you can take advantage of. Once you're ready with building out your form, on the left hand side you will see email, layout, appearance, settings, and integrations. These are even more customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your donation form. So for example here, if you go to the email section, you can click on notify me, and then obviously you can add the email that you're going to receive an email to once somebody submits this form. And as you can see here, you have the sender name, Elfsight, subject, etc. I'm going to go back here. In terms of layout, you can choose whether you want the form to be inline, which basically means that you get to choose its positioning on your Wix website, or you can have it as a floating pane on the right hand side like this, which is basically opened up by a button like that. In my case, I want it to be inline. I'm going to leave it as that. At the bottom here, you can also change the form layout from vertical to horizontal or to a multi-step like this. In my case, I'm going to keep it relatively simple. In terms of appearance, you can change it from light to dark mode like this. You can change the accent color, the style of the form itself, and a bunch of other customizations. I'm not going to go for everything that you can change because it's going to take me all day. I will leave this up to you to explore at your own pace. But once you're ready with building and designing your donation form, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen. And then your donation form widget will be saved up and you'll be taken to this page, which is where we now need to publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see this green publish button. Simply click on it and then you'll be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you're looking for more functionalities, such as have more than one widget from Elfsight on your Wix website, or if you want your phone to be 100% ad free, then you can obviously go for one one of the premium plans right here. So you can see they have quite a few different options they can choose from. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you'll automatically be taken to this page, which is where we can copy the code for the donation form widget that we just created. Click on copy code right here, and then let's head over to Wix so we can start integrating it. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor. In my case, I'm already in it right here, as you can see. From here, what you want to do is go to the page and this section where you want to add your donation form to. In my case, I want my donation form to be in this section, so I'm going to click to highlight it, and then in the top right corner of the screen, you will see the search button. Click on that, and then I want you to search for HTML. Once you've done that, you'll see this embed button. Simply hover over it or click on it, and then on the left hand side you'll see a new window open up. I want you to click on this embed HTML button here, click add to site, and then you'll see this HTML block added to your Wix website. From here, make sure this is set to code, and then simply paste the code that we just copied previously from Elside, click on update, and then obviously make sure to resize the widget accordingly. And here is my donation form added to my Wix website. As you can see, it's fully interactive. I can go ahead and type in text right here. I can attach a document. I can agree to the terms and conditions, and I can also submit the form and pretty much do everything else that this form is designed to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create a donation form in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.